If you're looking for cute alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Cute Alarm Clocks. Number 1, Most Popular, by Liwuyou. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Homeled. Number 3, by Oweisong. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Peakeep. Number 5. Find these cute alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by GEREE. Number 7, by Peakeep. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Rouge Incorporated. Number 9, by Liwuyou. Discover more cute alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Gina Living.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.